CNN's Josh Campbell spoke to one victim who says the judges will have blood on their hands.
His anger was not controllable.
For many victims of domestic violence, everyday life is hell on earth.
It can be something as simple as me doing my makeup. It'd be a breakdown. The fights would start. Me going to church. It'd be a problem just for me to get dressed up for church.
We spoke with a young mother who doesn't want to be identified because she is now in hiding after fleeing years of abuse from her husband that took a potentially deadly turn.
He started intimidating me with his guns. I fled. That was the breaking point.
The guns?
The guns. Yeah.
She sought a restraining order, but proving her case was tough. A judge initially refused to grant one, nor give her immediate custody of her child.
I know I'm no good dead, so I had to leave her.
It's okay.
I had to leave her. I had to allow her to go back there.
After repeated attempts, she got custody and a restraining order, forcing the man she accused of abuse to relinquish his guns.
The hope is them removing their guns or have to turn in their guns, will keep you safe.
That sense of safety was shattered, she says, after a new controversial federal court ruling that let certain people accused of domestic violence keep their guns.
The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in Texas looked at the case of a man who was challenging the federal law that bans guns for people who are subject to restraining orders.
The court, covering Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, ruled that law was unconstitutional, calling it an outlier that our ancestors would never have accepted, language the Supreme Court also used in a New York ruling last summer.
This is strictly because domestic violence was not considered a crime by the founders. Was it a law back then? Does it have roots in our American history and tradition? If it wasn't, then it doesn't have to stand.
It's devastating.
The ruling has stunned domestic violence victim advocates like Carmen McDonald with the Los Angeles Center for Law and Justice. She questions the logic, given the dangers victims face and the long rap sheet for the plaintiff in the Fifth Circuit case, Zaki Rahimi, who was accused of multiple gun crimes, including shooting at a law enforcement officer and opening fire inside a fast food restaurant over a declined credit card. His attorneys declined to comment on the pending case. But despite the criminal charges and having a restraining order for domestic abuse, last summer's Supreme Court ruling set the precedent to allow Rahimi to win back his guns.
It's not even logical. 230 years ago, women didn't have the right to vote. Slavery was legal. Domestic violence laws weren't even on the book. Marital rape was legal.
U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland blasted the Circuit Court ruling and will likely appeal.
He has a couple of options. He can go back to a larger panel of judges on this very conservative federal appeals court, but it's so conservative, he might have better luck going straight to the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court at some point may draw a line. They have indicated, some of the conservative justices, that they are willing to do that.
As the nation waits to see what the courts will do, the abuse victim we met has a grim prediction.
It's a lot of blood that's going to be on their hands by doing that. A lot of blood.
On the judges?
Yes. A lot of blood that's going to be on their hands. A lot of women that's going to be trapped to stay in a situation like that. And it's not just going to affect them, it's going to affect the kids as well.
Yeah, really moving story. That was CNN's Josh Campbell reporting. And if you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, there is help. You can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-SAFE or visit them online at thehotline.org. We'll be right back.